they're off. First start, My Sunshine came away pretty quickly. Fearless Attack is also running fast in the center. Just in behind them, the Grey Restoration. Nearest to us, that's A Breath of Fresh Air. Indestructible is there too, along with Crypto Girl, Irish Wish, and Matuso just off those fractions as they charge away now, covering just about the first 2 furlongs. At this point, it's still wide open. A Breath of Fresh Air nearest to us, Crypto Girl showing some speed. My Sunshine in the yellow now beginning to tack across a bit. In the center of the course, that's the other Grey Restoration. On the far side, Bold Move and a Blood Moon. But My Sunshine may just have that lead, but it's tight up front. Restoration coming up to challenge. Crypto Girl now shoots through. A Breath of Fresh Air is right there too. Several horses in with a chance as they drive toward the furlong pole. It is Crypto Girl, Restoration, the Grey in the center, and A Breath of Fresh Air nearest to a Shooting Star beginning to close with Hot Red Scammer, but they drive toward the line, and Restoration may have done it. A Breath of Fresh Air, Crypto Girl, Hot Red Scammer, and Shooting Star all went by in a line.
Thank you for watching another video produced by the team from QuickGallopJA.com and its YouTube channel, The Quick Galloper. Please stay on the channel for other enlightening videos on those involved in local horse racing. Please like, subscribe, and press the notification bell.